Every dog there is in the world. Pit bull, boxers, collies, seeing-eye dogs. What about a chihuahua? Twice. And that's my brother, Elroy. Everybody knows Elroy. Lady, nothing. That's a lie. I just can't stand it. Coming in? Oh, they all shot like one in there. I don't want to see Elroy's face and smell this thing breath. Here's the living out here. Don't let your uncle or your cousin get you into any kind of shit. Now, you hear me? Have something going on. Can't nobody get you in trouble. But I'm glad you said this song. But since you grown, I'm bringing this back home. Daddy, Claire's here!
Get a nail, do it.
Stepping in that dog shit every day.